Hello student, in today's video we'll see data types in Python. So first of all we'll see some points related to data types. Okay, after that we'll see the different data types present in Python. So first point is in Python everything is object, means if you are declaring any variable in Python, so that variable is also considered as a object. Means if you are declaring a int type of variable, then that variable is also a integer type of object. If you are declaring a float type of variable, that will be a float type of object. Okay, so in Python everything is object. Second point is Python is dynamically typed language. So we have already discussed this point in features of Python. Python is a dynamically typed language, means while declaring variable no need to specify type of variable. So depending upon value of variable, automatically type of variable will be decided. Now see the example. So a equal to 10. Now 10 is an integer type value, so automatically a will become integer type of variable. Now b equal to 3.14. So 3.14 is a float type of value. So because of this, so b will become a float type of variable. Then c is equal to hello, so hello is a string value, so c will become a string type of variable. So depending upon value, automatically the type of variable will be decided. So Python is a dynamically typed language. Then third point is to identify the type of variable. In Python we have one inbuilt method. That method name is a type method. So the variable which type you want to find out, that variable you have to pass in a type method. Okay, now see the example. A equal to 10 and then print type of a. So a, now a equal to 10, so 10 is the integer value, so a will become a integer type of variable. So print type of a, it will print output as a class int. Okay, so in Python if you want to write a comment, you can write that by using hash symbol. Okay, so now see the output of this printf statement after hash. So class int. Now fourth point is to find out address of variable. We have another inbuilt method. That method name is id. Now the variable whose address you want to find out, that variable you have to pass in a id method. Okay, now see the example. A equal to 10. Now I want to find out the address of variable a. So print id of a, it will print the address of variable a. Okay, so you can see the big value there after hash. So that is the output of this code. Now in Python we have total 14 data types are there. So numeric data types, dictionary data types, boolean, set, sequence data type. Okay, so in Python we have three numeric data types. First one is a integer, then complex number, and third one is a float. Then we have a collection data types in Python. So for then a dictionary data type, then a boolean data type, set data type. In set we have another data type, that is a frozen set. Then sequence data types, string, list, tuple. So string is also a sequence of character. Then we have some byte sequence, that is bytes, byte array. Range is also a sequence of number. And we have another data type, that is none. It is similar to null. So all these data type we'll see one by one in upcoming video lecture. Okay, now just remember in Python we have total 14 data types: int, complex, float, dict, bool, set, frozen set. Then in sequence, string, that is str, list, tuple. Then bytes, byte array, range, none. So these are the 14 data types present in Python. Okay, so we'll stop here. Thank you.